Hey, what's up guys, Danton here, and today we're going to be working at the revising the select query 1 problem at HackerRank. So this problem asks us to query all columns for all American cities in the city table with populations larger than 100,000. It says the country code for America is USA, and then it gives us the city table. So then let's break this problem down into parts so it's easier to solve. First of all, if it says query all columns, then we know we're in a select statement, because a select is what's gonna fetch some information and query it. And if it says all columns, then we're going to use the star to select everything. So we want to select from this table, so from city. And if I were to run this code right now, it would return all of the columns in the city table with no filter, but we want to filter it based on the population size and based on the country code, because we just want American cities. So to filter something, we're going to use the where keyword, where country code is equal to, and then we're going to have to use single quotations because SQL is weird like that, USA, and then we use the and keyword. We also want the population to be bigger than 100,000. And if we run this, we will get a successful output. So here we can see all the cities from USA where the population is bigger than the 100,000. I hope you found this useful. If so, leave a like down below, subscribe for more SQL and programming tutorials, and let me know in the comments if there's any HackerRank or LeetCode problem you want me to solve.